Welcome to today's customers training for Epics and Grants customers. But we're going to upload this video to YouTube and other channels. So everyone watching this video will learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And you will learn how to make money online from anywhere in the world, from any experience level. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency if you want. First of all, let's go to today's money motivation, okay? Look at this. This is awesome. So yesterday we made $3,251.22, and today we made $2,417. Last 30 days results, last month's results, pretty good. Now, when we look at these numbers, what we think is, oh my God, it's a lot of money. How can I make this money? Why somebody is making money? Why am I not making money? Well, if we focus on only one thing, that will change our life completely. This is what happened to us, and this is what I'm going to share with you and my customers, all right? And that is these visitors. These visitors are the real people who trusted us, who believed in us, and who paid their hard-earned money on our offers. So basically what they did is we make videos, as you can see, we make videos using camera and microphone on this channel for basically our customers training. But for our other channels, like 20 plus other channels, we make videos using our artificial intelligence software Epic. So this is how Epic looks like. You can enter, let me show you another video. Okay, so let's go to this one, and portable fast charger, background removal. This one looks nice. So this is one of the videos that we made. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that allows you to write script using artificial intelligence. So just copy any text, paste it here, and click any of these two buttons. That text will be rewritten and it will be your text. Then copy that text, go to the audio section, and add audio in the video in 3 different ways: your own voice, or upload the audio, or use the text to audio section. So get the text written by AI, put it right here and click submit, and immediately the voiceover is ready. And Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. And in this video, I will show you how Epic users can make videos just like this within 3 to 5 minutes of your time that will attract customers and help you make money like this. So if you like this video, and you should like this video because this is basically a video for our paid customers, but if you're watching this video for free, then go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. By the way, Epic is free to try. Link is in the description. Go grab it right now. Start using it and make money. Follow the instructions in this video, in this training call, and you will be able to make money very, very simple and easy way, exactly the way we do it. So using these videos that we made using Epic, we run 20 plus channels. This is very easy to make videos. And even another interesting part is the bite-sized videos. See the clips, these small clips, every section is a clip. So it can be like 1 second to 10 minutes long. We can add as many information as we want. And when we are busy doing other things, we just save the campaign, go out, finish our stuff, come back later, we add other sections if we want, or simply when we are done, happy with it, click render, and the video is ready in the background. So this way, we made this software to make our life easy to run multiple channels. Now, how do we attract customers? This is what I'm going to share with you in this training. Please hit the like button, share this video, and grab Epic from the link in the description, and our other softwares. Most are free to try. Go ahead, grab it. Now, if you are also a Grants user, then it will help you as well. Look, Grants is the software that literally replaces Shopify and WooCommerce. Shopify and WooCommerce looks like cheap or free, but they're not. When you sign up for Shopify, to make your store work and actually make you money, you have to add a lot of add-ons, but all of them charge you monthly recurring fees. WooCommerce is also not free. It's free as a WordPress plugin, but to make it work, you have to buy a lot of other add-ons and plugins and themes to make it really work and make money for you. But Grants is the complete solution The domain is on us, the hosting server is on us, and all the features that Shopify has and WooCommerce extraordinary plugins and themes have, all of them are all included in grants. So it's super easy and super cheap and super reliable and a complete solution to build your online store. Now when you have an online store where you can sell physical, digital, and licensed products, all you need is customers. And in this training, we will share with you just that. So how do we get the customers? We focus on helping people who are serious and they don't look for free information. They have already purchased something using their credit card. And they know that in order to get value, they need to pay value. So these are the customers we focus on, and we solve their problems using our simple videos that we make using Epic. When we build that trust using upfront helpful information, they love us, they follow us, and they buy from us, and we make money. So the connection between customers and us is basically our awesome software Epic. So if you already have Epic, super awesome, go start using it from today. It will take 3 to 5 minutes of your time to make an awesome and helpful customer attracting video, and you get customers from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere you want, especially YouTube. But if you don't have Epic yet, link is in the description, start using from today, okay? Let's go jump right in and show you customers, where you can get customers from today. On Amazon, I found an interesting product called nail polish. Why nail polish? I'm gonna come back to you. First, let me take a screenshot. By the way, this is how we take screenshot, and we use screenshot a lot in Epic videos. It's super easy and super free. We use a software called Awesome Screenshot. It's a Google Chrome extension. So look at this particular nail polish, I have no idea of because I'm not a user, has got 2,632 positive ratings, positive feedback from customers. Now, we can pretty much assume that the total number of sales is approximately 10 times the number of ratings. So 26,000 units are sold from this listing alone. This is awesome. All these people are customers. They may be women, they may be men, they might have bought for themselves or bought for their wives, children, or friends or anyone. But end of the day, they are all customers. So we went to look for learning more about nail polish. So I used my favorite keyword and customer research tool called Ubersuggest. Here we can find out the volume of searches per month. So look at this, nail polish, 74,000 searches per month. Now I'll give you one quick tip. Anything that is actually paid and it cannot be found for free, like cosmetics, like nail polish, everyone who searches for it are buyers. Make sense? Now if you look at all these keywords, they're all buyer oriented. Now what are we going to do with them? We can simply make simple videos around this stuff. Also, we can make problem solution videos to attract more customers. So for that, we can simply search with problems with nail polish. So we found 13 nail polish problems. Awesome. And there is a solution mentioned here. So what we're gonna do is now I will show you how we make simple problem solution videos using Epic. We go to Epic, click create new, add a name of the product, click create. Then first we talk about problem. So I'm going to take a quick screenshot, selected area, like this, click capture, done, copy. We go to the editor, and here is the most interesting part. We can add images in 3 different ways. And number 1, this is my most favorite. Click here and Control V. The copied image is right here. Click upload to upload in our library so you can use it anytime now and in the future. Click use to add the image in your canvas. Now you can play with it. Add a little drama. We want to talk about 13 nail polish problems and how to fix them. Control C, go to the text section, Control V. Now, if you don't want to use exactly from other person, then go to the text generator, click here, Control V and spin text. This will spin the text and add some twist to the text. It says 13 toe nail polish. No, it doesn't work. It has to be nail polish. So click add text. Now you can change the type of text, change the color if you want. Let's make it a little bit of blue. Blue goes well with red and make it big. Now, here is an interesting thing. You can go to the audio section and add audio in 3 different ways. If you have a recorded audio, upload it using Browse, or you can record like this: 13 nail polish problems and exactly how to deal with them. And it's recorded. Now go to the recorded audio. You can play it. 13 nail polish problems and exactly how to deal with them. Nice. You can add it. Once you add it, the clip size automatically becomes the size of the last media. And the last media is only 6 seconds long. Now here is something we do very interesting, and we just added this feature, new feature, yesterday. Create the audio first. Let me show you another way to create audio. So first of all, go to the text to audio section. The title will be the first. Choose the quality WaveNet, voice type, my favorite type C, and Control V. Then I click submit. Look what happens. The text to audio automatically creates a voiceover.
13 nail polish problems and how to fix them.
Nice. So you don't have to use your voice if you don't want to. Add it, it becomes 3 seconds. Okay. Now, instead of using this text, this is what I'm going to do.
13
When it says 13, I'm going to add text 13.
nail polish
Now I'm going to add nail polish and add. You see what happens.
problems and how to
I'll just add fix. You see what I've done? I played the audio, and as the audio said a word, I added that word, and look what happens now.
13 nail polish problems and how to fix them. 13
Nice.
nail polish problems and how to fix them.
You can edit right here. Now let's go back and check.
13 nail polish problems and how to fix them. 13 nail polish problems.
Great, right? Now you can add more slides and make it as long as you want. Now here's another interesting way. Let's add another slide, and instead of rewriting anything, just take a screenshot of the whole thing with the logo of the website to give them the full credit. Capture, copy the image, and click add. Click use. Now the image is added, but now you have to add a little twist to give them the full credit. How do you do that? Go to the audio section and say it loud. I just read in Women. No, I didn't like it, so I'm gonna cancel it. You can cancel it this way. I just read in Women's Health magazine there are 13. No, I didn't like it. So in any case, you can say it again. I just read this awesome article about solution to 13 different problems of nail polish in Women's Health magazine. So now you add this voiceover, go to the text section. I just read this awesome article. Now when I said article, I want to add an image like this about solution to 13 different problems of nail polish in women's. Now we go Women's Health magazine, and we click this circle right here that shows the Women's Health magazine. Now look how it looks like. I just read this awesome article about solution to 13 different problems of nail polish in Women's Health magazine. I just read this awesome article. Nice. This way you can make as long video as you want, giving the original owner of the content full credit. And once you are done, simply click save and then click render, and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we use videos to target only customers and build relationship with them by helping them, by answering their queries. When we do that, they love us, they follow us, and eventually they click our links and buy from us. This is exactly how we make money. This is how you make money. So for that, start with making simple videos from today. We recommend use Epic. If you already have Epic, it's super awesome. If you don't have, link is in the description, go grab it. So this video was for everyone to learn how to make money online by helping customers. If you liked our video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines so everybody else learns how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. So go ahead, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button if you want to know when we will upload our next training video. And we will see you in the next video.